BbyLon. They gonna know that fall in a building, and I'm back with another reaction video. As you can see by the title, y'all, we be reacting to Glock dropped a new video, y'all. We're finna go ahead and get straight into it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know if I drop new videos. Y'all, we on the road to 6K subs, and we're finna get there real quick. I'm telling you, you gonna wanna join the family, y'all. Let's go ahead and get straight into this reaction, man. Let's see what that boy Glock new music talking about. I ain't heard this song no look.
Yeah.
Okay, dang.
Mr.
News,
Glock.
Let's see what they're talking about, Glock.
Yeah. Camo AP, I'm a soldier. I got old money, I ain't spent yet, this shit mold. Yeah, I have my way around this bitch, I'm having motion. Who the fuck you put up in this blunt, this nigga smoke. Blue diamond chain on me, this bitch match the ocean. 30 in my size, 30 J.
Airdrop not even on. It was off. Oh. Now send it.
Bitch, I'm having motion.
I think I heard this song though.
Who the fuck you put up in this blunt, this nigga smoke. Blue diamond chain on me, this bitch match the ocean. 30 in my size, 30 jeans with no holster. Eyes on the prize, yep, I'm trying to stay focused. I'm living like a king, bitch, I'm not your local joker. All about my bread here, yeah, I keep that toaster. I be sipping rich.
All about my bread here, yeah, I keep that toaster. Okay.
And my little bitch sip mimosa. I hop up out the bed, say a prayer and count my dope. Then hop up in my Lamborghini truck with the dozer. Everybody know on me BK, I don't get no fucks. Wagyu steaks up on my plate, I came a long way from Coca. Niggas talking this and that and that.
Hey man, long live Dolph, man. Like, for real, I miss your music, Dolph. Every time I listen to Glock, I think about you, man.
Don't even know us. And niggas out here cloud chasing for a name.
You got that Dolph chain on, man. Damn.
If you came from nothing, put your rollie on and hold it up. Paper route, pocket team, don't know nobody cold as us. Koto be the gang, that's what I bang, nobody holding us. Real stand up, nigga, don't see myself folding up. We turned her into diamonds and I'm trying to turn these boys to dust. Fuck this money and these cars and clothes, this shit don't mean that much. Yup, I made a couple million plus to twist my fingers up. I don't give no fuck about no bitch, a bitch gon' eat it up. Either way, I'm a
oh shit, he smacked. He giving her a whooping.
I don't give no fuck about no bitch, a bitch gon' eat it up. Either way, I'ma get mine, I don't play. I rip the 5, not the 6, but I still keep a drink. Got money all up on my mind, can't have no bitch in my face. Yeah, all I see is dollar signs and niggas on the side, hey.
Okay.
Little
That
bitches,
Glock be having that shit on, y'all.
little cheerleaders. That's how them niggas is. I mean, that's how them bitches is. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, man. I love Dolph, man. He got them blue diamonds for Dolph, man. No cap, y'all. Let me know how y'all feel about that video in the comments, man. If you watch this video all the way through, man, I appreciate love so much. Y'all know we on the road to 6K subs. We finna get there real quick. So y'all turn me on chat, drop them green hearts. Let me know how y'all feel about this video. Thanks for tuning in, gang.